All right, let's take a look at some curtains. And these are holiday curtains, but to be honest with you, I've been using them for more like Christmas card background. These are beautiful details. They have snowflakes in the bottom. They merge with the white. And then you can see the snowflakes falling off the ground. Now, these are long, so make sure you put the right measurements. These are perfect fitting for my curtains, if you guys can see that. And these are perfect for if you want to take pictures in the background or you want to decorate your home right now that the holidays are coming around. These are beautiful. So they stand about over 6 feet. They got plenty of length. They come with all these rings. It built in the actual curtains. So if you pull them, you don't have to worry about the fabric ripping. You guys can see that. But they look very elegant, very tall, over 6 feet tall. Like I said, beautiful background if you want to take Christmas pictures or just decorate your home. So hope you guys enjoy the video.